Hey everyone, in this video, I show you how to install the front wheel onto your e-bike. First, go ahead and remove the bolts on both sides of the front fork. And take off the center axle rod. Grab the front wheel axle that came in the package. You notice it has several spacers. Separate them by thickness and take them all off for nye. Slide the axle rod through the center bearing of the front wheel. On the side with the disc brake, make sure to install the thinner spacer. This helps ensure the brake works smoothly. Before installing the axle, don't forget to remove this spacer that protects the brake pads. When, fit the whole wheel and axle assembly between the front fork arms. And don't forget to add the hooked washers on both sides. Finally, tighten the nuts on both ends, pop on the top caps, and you all set. Your front wheel is now securely mounted to the fork. Hope this helped. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more e-bike hell. See you in the next one.